Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install Moneydance app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Moneydance app is a personal finance management app that can be used alongside a desktop application for managing your finances. Now proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Moneydance. There you can see Moneydance by the infinity kind. Tap on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Moneydance app and then you can manage your finances. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.